Hello. Welcome to our discussion on the camshaft position sensor, a vital component in modern automotive engines. Understanding this sensor is crucial for anyone interested in engine performance and efficiency. The camshaft position sensor plays a key role in ensuring that the engine operates smoothly by providing critical information about the camshaft's position and speed to the engine control unit (ECU). This data helps optimize fuel injection and ignition timing, which directly affects the vehicle's performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions. Let's dive deeper into its functions, types, and importance in your vehicle's operation. What are the common symptoms of a faulty camshaft position sensor? A faulty camshaft position sensor can lead to various symptoms that may affect the performance of your vehicle. Here are some common signs that indicate a bad camshaft position sensor. Number 1. Check engine light. One of the most common indicators is the illumination of the check engine light on your dashboard. Number 2. Poor engine performance. You may experience a decrease in engine performance, including rough idling, stalling, or hesitation during acceleration. Number 3. Difficulty starting the engine. A malfunctioning camshaft position sensor can make it hard to start the engine or cause it to stall shortly after starting. Number 4. Increased fuel consumption. If the sensor is not functioning correctly, it can lead to poor fuel efficiency due to incorrect timing of fuel injection. Number 5. Erratic engine timing. You might notice irregularities in engine timing, which can lead to backfiring or misfiring. Number 6. Engine misfires. A bad sensor can cause the engine to misfire, leading to a rough running condition. Number 7. Vibration or shaking. The vehicle may vibrate or shake during operation due to improper timing. Number 8. Reduced power. You may notice a lack of power when accelerating, as the engine may not be firing correctly. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe, like, and share buttons.